In this video, I'll guide you through how to uninstall Google Cloud SDK from your Windows computer. Whether you're freeing up space or simply no longer need it, this process is straightforward and quick. Let's ensure you can easily follow along and complete this task without any hassle. First, let's start by opening your Windows settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu, typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, look for the gear icon. This is the symbol for settings, and clicking it will bring up the settings window, which is where we want to be. Once you're in the settings window, you'll see a variety of options. What we're interested in is managing the applications installed on your computer. So go ahead and select the option labeled Apps. If you're having trouble finding it, it usually features a square icon with a list inside. This section allows you to view, modify, and uninstall the software currently on your machine. After clicking on Apps, you'll be directed to a new page named Installed Apps. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the applications currently installed on your computer. This list can be sizable, so you may need to scroll or use the search function to locate the specific application you want to uninstall. In this case, we're looking for the Google Cloud SDK. To make things easier, you can use the search bar located at the top of the list. Simply type Google Cloud SDK into this bar and it should quickly bring up the application. Once you see it in the list, you're ready to proceed with the uninstallation. Now, click on Google Cloud SDK within the list. This action will reveal a few options, usually including modify and uninstall. Since our goal is to remove the program, go ahead and click uninstall. You might notice a prompt asking for confirmation. This is a standard security measure to ensure that you really want to uninstall the application. Confirm your decision by selecting yes or uninstall again, depending on the prompt you receive. The uninstallation process should begin immediately. Depending on your computer speed and the specific configuration of your system, this process might take a few moments. During this time, it's best not to interrupt or close the window to ensure the application is fully removed. And there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled Google Cloud SDK from your Windows system. If you need to confirm its removal, you can return to the list of installed apps and perform another search for Google Cloud SDK. If it no longer appears in the list, then the uninstallation was successful. Remember, uninstalling software you no longer use can help improve your system's performance by freeing up valuable resources. If you ever need to reinstall Google Cloud SDK or any other software, you can do so by downloading it again from the official website. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process simple and clear for you. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with the other tech tasks, feel free to explore our other videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.